All right, so preview, We Heart Preview, the second, I believe, installment of this one. Today we're going to be looking at editing images and PDFs. So sometimes you find an image, you want it to work with your Google slide presentation, you want things to look nice, but maybe they just don't match up. For example, I found these awesome numbers in Creative Commons. The purple doesn't work for me, and obviously all the numbers on one doc, it's a bit weird because I want to use these numbers to title the individual slides numerically. You get it. So I'm going to use preview just to fix these real quick in a sort of a simple Photoshop hack. And so I'm going to look at my screenshot shortcut, which is Command-Control-Shift-4. And what that will do is give us a screenshot that doesn't go anywhere. It just goes to our clipboard. Hit Command-Control-Shift-4. I'm going to go with the 7 down here. Nice and easy. And my next move will be this Command-N. Now in preview, Command spacebar and preview. There we are. Now with my Command-N, it just gives me a new doc because it knows that thing's in my clipboard. I'm going to open this up so you can see it. And this is the magic button right here. This little toolbar, toolbox thing, and it gives me a number of options. And I'm specifically going to look at this magic Lasso business over here. If I click on, you can know that it's being used because it's a little darker. If I click and pull, click and drag, now it highlights all the pixels, if you will, in that color scheme. If I hit delete, it'll get rid of all of those. And now what I've essentially done, I've created a PNG, and I can come over and I just hit Command-A. I copied that, so Command-C, Command-A, Command-C. And in my blank presentation, I can paste that. It's got a little bit of a funkiness there, which I didn't expect, but hey, that happens. I could probably get really in there if I want and get rid of that as well, but I'm not going to do that for this purposes. So I got my one, and I can do that with my second slide and my third slide and my fourth slide and those sorts of things, right? Fun. And you can do that with anything. So the idea is you can just get rid of color. So if you just need a body or a head or anything, and don't forget, if I need to do some very simple photoshopping, not the best with this, but I can use this little wand right here and I can cut some stuff out. So if I need just my face and I don't need the lovely background of the forest or whatever it is, and it's a little bit awkward, I can just cut things out this way with this little tool and hit delete. Obviously, if I need to be super clean, I can use a rectangular, and there's this cool smart lasso you might want to play with as well. Now, simple little Photoshop hack with our preview. This premise, and this is more of a personal thing, but it often has to do with some professional work as well. I use this just to insert my signature. I found this awesome Mayor Preman signature on Creative Commons. I'm going to use my same Command-Control-Shift-4. I could just copy it. I'm going to reiterate that shortcut. Copied. Go back to preview, hit Command-N. Hit my toolbox, magic lasso, or magic wand. Sorry, things are magical. I get confused about what's magical. I'm going to hit click and pull, and all that white stuff around the signature will now go away. I can equally do that inside the signature and over this bit over here as well. I will save this as signature, and that way all I have to do is I'll just grab some other random thing over here. Let's go to what links are here. Let's just say this is a PDF which requires my signature for whatever reason. I can just do my Command-A, Command-C, and boom. And now you see I get these multiple points, and I can decrease and increase the size of my signature, and I just click away, and that's it. I can Command-P and print that guy or send it off to wherever it goes, but this is a very simple way to shove this into a PDF. Now, I'm working on this as an image. Preview opens up images, and it also opens up PDFs. So if somebody sends you a PDF which requires a signature, it's the same process as this. So using preview as a very simple hack for essentially Photoshop, And with that, you can edit your images and your PDFs. If you have any questions about this, just reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to schedule some time and work with you one-on-one. Thanks again.